Hey team, I'm back from my holiday in Lithuania, batteries charged, all refreshed. But I was thinking about you the whole time I was there. Specifically, I was thinking about a video I made, I think it was the week before I went. It didn't get any complaints, there were no downvotes, there were no comments or anything like that. But something about the video just didn't sit right with me. The video was called Don't Wait to be Asked to Do the Work, and it was addressing a situation I keep encountering throughout my career as a PMO and assurance, where I'm dealing with project managers who haven't done a fundamental piece of work that supports projects because nobody had asked them to do it. And I'll be honest with you, it didn't sit well with me, not because I regret actually the message behind it, but rather the way I delivered the message, which came across a little bit lectury and a little bit unsympathetic. Anyway, I'm not here to lecture you, I'm not here to tell you off. I'm operating in your best interest, I'm trying to support you. And I suppose that message could have been delivered slightly differently. I guess what I wanted to get across was that there are certain documents, certain activities that are just expected as part of delivering a project. Saying that nobody asked you for them just won't be considered acceptable. And I was thinking about it whilst I was on my holiday. It occurred to me that I'm telling you something you already know. Almost every project manager will have at some point had to go through an interview to get the current job. And if at some point in that interview process you weren't asked, or at least prepared to answer the questions of what documents do you need at certain stages, so you would have been able to describe how you'd need to have requirements, you'd need to have plans, you need to have risk logs, you need to have issue logs, all that kind of stuff. You already know this stuff. You'd have got through the interview by answering those questions, or at least having been prepared to answer them. So you get the job, you end up in the project, you're doing the delivery, you're really busy, I get that. Nobody's asking for these obvious things, and you just let it slide. And the point I was trying to make, which came across a little bit unsympathetic, was that these things are important, they're useful, and their absence creates gaps. And those gaps create risks and problems and all sorts of threats to your project. And eventually, things will start to go wrong, which will draw the attention of superiors, of PMOs, of assurance, and somebody's going to ask the question, why didn't you do that thing? And if you respond, nobody asked, you're not going to get a sympathetic response. So I wasn't sitting here telling anybody off. I was just frustrated and concerned about what I see as a self-sabotaging behavior that is quite easily avoided. So there you go, I wasn't telling you off, we're still best buddies, we're good. And speaking of mandatory things that are just expected, I think this is as close as I'm gonna get to doing one of those tearful YouTuber apology videos. But you never know, my day may come. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you're happy that I'm back off my holiday, and if you want to get daily-ish project management content, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you next time.